Okay, I'm ready for host site to pound. Pound me harder. Now I'm ready to be snapped, crackled, and popped.
Hold your breath.
Oh gosh, that was a good one.
Let that shoulder relax and drop.
Oh God, oh Lord Jesus. Holy shish kebab. Okay. Ooh, that hurt good.
There it is.
Yep. Oh my God. Whew, I'm popping. You know what? This is the best I've popped.
Considerably, it's gotten a lot better
Considerably better.
over time. Get that all wet. Let's see, breath. Yeah. Perfect. Amazing.
Stop it.
Let that shoulder relax. There you go.
Right through there, that's really sore.
Good. One more deep breath in, hold your breath. There it is.
Oh man. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
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 Good job.
Where?
Oh. Super big one.
Did you hear that?
Are you moving? Oh my God. Oh wow. Oh wow. That was deep. Oh man. Good. Amazing. Oh, there it went. On your back. Relax that form. Good. Deep breath in. Yeah. Good. Awesome. Awesome. This is gonna be a good one.
Deep breath for me. 1.
Attention in the lower lumbar. Deep breath for me. Deep breath. Back down.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
Dropping. There you go. Let that head drop into my hand. Yeah. for me. Exhale all the way out. Relax that for me. Let them shoulders drop. Awesome. Exhale all the way out. Let it go. Oh, you move so much better this way. Do me a favor, wiggle your left toes. Awesome.
Take a wiggle on both.
Right through there, let that go for me. There you go. Yeah. Awesome.